Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, let's make a classic and possibly nostalgic frozen Puerto Rican treat known as limber de coco. Let's get into it. If you've never heard of a limber is essentially a Puerto Rican popsicle in a cup. And it comes in many different flavors. I already have a piña colada limber recipe on my channel, but today I'm going to show you the coconut version, and I plan to make a playlist and fill that playlist on my YouTube channel of different limbers. So for this limber de coco recipe, I'm going to start by adding 1 can of cream of coconut, not to be confused with coconut cream. They are not the same. You need to get cream of coconut. Look in either the international aisle or in the liquor section or Amazon. And then I'm going to add 1 can of high quality coconut milk. I really like this Thai, I think it's Thai Kitchen. It's a really, really good coconut milk brand. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk, but you can also use like regular milk if you prefer. And then I'm going to add 1 can of coconut water with pulp. And as always, I'm going to have all of the ingredients in the description box below. Now, this is my favorite, my absolute favorite coconut water, the Jarito brand. Oh, it's so good. So, so good. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to whisk everything to combine. Now, at this point, the limber is sweet. It's not overly sweet. So if you don't like overly sweet things, I think at this point it's perfect. But right here, I'm grabbing a clean spoon, checking for taste. And for my taste, I want it a little sweeter. And therefore, I also added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then I checked for sweetness and I found that it was perfect. It was nice and sweet, but not overly sweet. So if you want it a little more sweet, just start by adding 1 extra tablespoon of sugar at a time. And now that my limber mixture is done, I went ahead and poured it into these little cups. You can use any size cup you prefer. I suggest not using like the really big cups. That'll be too much. This is a very indulgent frozen treat, so you don't want to have too much at a time. And then I'm just poking it with my fork to pop any little air bubbles just for presentation. You don't have to do this. And yeah, and if you want to add to this limber recipe something like fresh coconut chunks or even shredded coconut, you may do so, but I found that the limber mixture was good as is. And then I went ahead and sprinkled some cinnamon on top. I didn't add cinnamon into the mixture because cinnamon will sink to the bottom of the limber, but if you like that, you very well may do so. But I like to add it on top just because it looks pretty. And then I'm going to lightly cover them in plastic wrap, freeze them overnight until they are set and ready to enjoy. And this is me the next day, finally enjoying my delicious limber de coco. Now, for me, my favorite way to enjoy it is by squeezing the cup and flipping the limber upside down. I don't know if any of you guys did that as kids, but that's my absolute favorite. I recently taught my sister-in-law that, who is not Puerto Rican, and she's like, yeah, this is way better. It's so good. All right, so if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time.